Hi everyone, my name is Ina and welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how to do a fake freckles, and also I will test a freckles markers which I ordered on Amazon. So we'll see if they are good and how they can be used more. But first, let's just start with a makeup. First, I'm applying a moisturizing cream, and this will be our makeup base. For this, you can use just your regular daily cream, but it's important not to miss this step. Next, I'll use a foundation. I like this one from Estee Lauder. It's not really dense, but I like it light texture and that it doesn't dry out the skin. I see difference when I'm applying it with my fingers or when I'm using a beauty blender. The beauty blender covers better, so today I have chosen the second option. Now it's time for blushes, and I think for a makeup with freckles you can use it a little bit more to make warm and suntan look. I really like these blushes from Honest. The color is perfect for me. And as usual, we're applying blushes not only for our cheeks but also on the nose and on the forehead. And of course, we cannot miss a bronzer in this look. With the same product, I'll do a little contouring for my nose, and also I'll use it as an eyeshadows. I'm not gonna do a complicated makeup today, so let's just do brows simply with a pencil and then fix them with a brow gel. And finally, it's time for the markers, which we are testing. I really want to see what else they can do, so that it's not a waste of money just to use them 2 times in the summer to paint freckles. So I tried to make a winged eyeliner with them. I'm applying the darker color, and as I see, I can definitely use it as an eyeliner. It has a sharp tip and a nice dark brown color, but it also dries really fast. I think it's nice and I can use mascara. Also here I decided to add some eyeshadows with sparkles and highlighter. I'm applying a lip pencil and a lip gloss to finish makeup. Just will add a little more blushes because it's not enough. And finally, I'm ready to draw freckles on my face. It's actually for the first time, so I'm really excited to see how it'll turn out. So I'm using the lighter color, and the first impression that is really liquid and it also dries fast, so I can't blend it at all. So as I think the best way to apply this product is to not put it directly to the face, but use a finger instead. Just put a little drop on it and then apply it to the face. If you need to correct something, it removes with a beauty blender really easy. So, half an hour later, it started to look like freckles. Although, I think with even a lighter color is a little dark for me. And to make a full look, I will correct my hairstyle. So now I think it even looks cute. You can write in the comments what do you think. And also I'll be glad if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!